is June 6th, and the puppies are having a rumble. They're playing and learning, trying to figure out who's going to be the king and the queen of the puppy pile. Oh, hello there, little one. Hello. That's our biggest one right there. That's one that usually has the brown collar, but his collar is too small for him now. I don't know if you can see. He has a pretty thick neck, especially compared to the other puppies. Oh, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, I know you're all interested in me, huh? That's brown right there. He used to have the brown collar. He's black male, has a little white stripe. And they're all just kind of playing. There's red over there. Oh, they're playing with trying to play with my phone too. Zoe's bumping me from behind because I'm not petting her. Those are some puppy teeth on my fingers that are biting me. But everybody's just kind of learning their social skills right now. Oh, and one of them just fell.